tickles. It just tickles. They won't bite. Look. It just tickles. You want to try it? It's so cute. I like this.
Here, bud. Watch. Look, bud. Look.
You want to hold the bucket up? Okay, take the bucket.
No, no. Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez, they'll think they're in heaven now.
Good. That's good.
Like trick or treat.
Yeah.
Look at all the
Don't let
guys.
the deer eat it all. We'll have to go buy more.
Well, I think we're going to be buying more anyway.
She's Anna, these animals
You
are
want some too,
adorable.
huh? You want
Put it in your hand, Anna. It tickles. It tickles and they eat it.
Tom, you're going to have to go back and buy more.
All right, just don't drop it. Go ahead. Okay, let this one have some.
Good.
Okay. They're hungry.
Here, give me some.
Oh, it's so cute they eat out of your hand. See how Daddy does it?
Look at my hands all wet now.
Oh, we'll wash them. We have baby wipes too.
Let Lila get up
They
there.
have hand
Does
wash
Lila want to see
stuff
them?
here, I would bet. They do at the other zoo.
You want to put some in your
Okay,
hand?
let's get on the other. Tom's going to be buying more food.
We can go feed more animals, Anna. You want to give them a carrot? Okay.
You going to do another
We're
carrot?
going to have to buy some more for sure. Let them take a bite. Scooch up, buddy. Scooch up.
Don't let go of it. Don't let go. Oh, no! He ate the whole thing.
Oh.
He's not even sharing, but he's just
Come on,
eating the whole
buddy.
thing. Let me try again. Watch. Come here. Come here. Walk up with me.
I want to feed the deer.
Come here, bud. Walk up.
Grandma's going to go get some more too.
Anna, look at this little baby one.
Yeah, Grandma's going to go buy some more.
No, I want to.
Might as well get another bucket, too.
There.